Hi guys, I am going to show you how to hack Subway Surfers game. So for hacking, you have to download an app called UC Browser. I have downloaded it, so you have to download it and then we'll begin. I'll open this app, search Subway Surfers mod APK. And scroll down. So there will be a site called Zippy Share this last site. So I'll download this. It will ask for uh, this download. So I'll click on this and then my as you can see my game has downloaded this successfully download. So I'll go on my files, this Subway Surfers install. As you can see, my game is installing. My game has installed. I'll open this Subway Surfers. See, I have downloaded the London one. See my score. And I have 0 rupees now. We have to complete this so that we could get rupees, coins, fresh moves. You have to play a little bit just because of collecting coins and keys. As you can see, we completed the fresh moves. So as you can see, my keys and coins, they're up. See, I can buy any player. Prince, select. I can buy any player. Tag bot, and my keys will not go also. See, it's this much, and it's not just getting finished also. So guys, if you like my video, so please like, share and comment and subscribe.